Hey guys, this is Robert, and here's the package. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, what is this? Care So Love. It is a everyday carry item. I can open that. Okay, have a box of blades. Good amounts. Good amount. And we have the everyday carry tool. It is a utility knife. You can figure out how to slide it out. I didn't see instructions. Just slides that out. Okay, here we go. Unlock. Oop. And you slide it. That. Yes. Yeah. Let's push it up and slide it in and out. The ruler. Bottle opener. And then, not sure what this is. And then carabiner. Yep. That is it. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.